All right, students get confused about this one. Yeah, yeah, no, that is exactly right. You're a little ahead of me on that, though. So, I'm going to show you that you can do this, even even though it doesn't fit a trinomial. Okay, what you're looking at right here is a trinomial, but there's only two terms. Oh, it's a trinomial because I want it to be. And sometimes math is what I want it to be. I don't let the numbers control me most of the time. And sometimes they get me, and it's like, oh, you got me that time, but not the next time, you stinking. So on this one, I'm going to rewrite this as a trinomial. And I'm not trying to be super profound, but I will pause for dramatic effect. Okay, there's your binomial. How is this a trinomial? Boom, I found it. Yeah, now, most students don't get this, so if you're not understanding what I just did right there, I added 0. What do you mean you added 0? Yeah, I can add zeros many times as I want, which gives me lots of freedom, I think. But at this point, I wouldn't necessarily use the a squared plus 2ab plus b squared crap, specifically because it's minus 81. So I'm not actually expecting to use any of these because it's, you see it should be plus b squared. So at this point, I would use factoring by grouping. This is really a template for what we're going to see next, by the way. And I know you don't care, but I'm feeling good. So negative 81, I want two factors of negative 81 that add up to 0, such as 9 and negative 9. And I skipped some factors there on purpose, by the way, hopefully for your benefit. So since the leading coefficient of w squared is a 1, phantom 1, I know I can just fill these in. And then I can just add in my 2 factor from the factor of pairs. We get this. Now, I could still have used factoring by grouping. I could have changed that 0w into a 9w minus 9w. But I feel good about where we are on this one. And that completes this one.